4 Colorado children murdered by their fathers in the span of a month. How could this end up happening?
Shocking. Colorado has a court precedent. When custody cases get ugly, judges are told to look in the best interest of the child.
In all of these cases, judges granted the fathers partial custody.
Denver 7's Megan Lopez spoke with a mother who fought for her daughter for years and is now fighting for other children.
It's an unimaginable tragedy that shouldn't happen once.
This is a tragic incident that affects those involved.
It shouldn't happen twice.
Anytime that we have a parental case where a child's not returned home, we have some worry.
It shouldn't happen ever. And yet here in Colorado, within the span of a month, 4 children were murdered at the hands of their fathers after judges granted them custody.
You're playing Russian roulette with that child's life.
The first was in Elizabeth on December 3rd. A 5-year-old girl and her father found dead inside a car at Casey Jones Park in an apparent murder-suicide. Just 2 days later in Fort Collins,
Unfortunately, they found 3 deceased individuals, an adult and 2 children.
8-year-old Cameron and 6-year-old Audrey Zipperer were found dead with their father.
The mom had told about the domestic violence, had begged for help, said she didn't believe her children were safe, and they didn't listen. And those 2 kids were murdered by the father.
And a month after that in Teller County, after missing a child drop-off,
You're going to be checking up on the white male, age 53.
5-year-old Liam Boucher was found dead with his father.
We didn't have the indicators that there was an immediate threat.
Domestic violence was reported, heavy-duty domestic violence from what I was told by somebody on the inside. He was murdered.
Marilee McLean is a child advocate. For 3 decades,
She lost not only the fight, she lost her child. The courts issued an order placing Sarah in the sole custody of her father.
she's been fighting for change after losing her daughter in a custody case to her husband.
There was sexual abuse, and they ignored all evidence of abuse. I never stopped fighting. I was in court for 10 years. I had 7 judges and 8 attorneys.
Years of fighting for someone to believe her. Years to win back custody.
Welcome to this podcast with Moms Fight Back.
In 2021, Colorado passed a law named after Marilee's daughter, known as Julie's Law, to require more domestic violence training for court personnel. That same year,
House Bill 1099 is adopted.
legislators passed Ty's Law to create a domestic violence task force after a 10-year-old was murdered by his father. The same judge that let Ty go home with his father presided over the case in Elizabeth, where the 5-year-old died last December.
They need to be held responsible for the deaths of these children. They're ruling on a child's life and that parent's life, and they're making horrific mistakes, horrific.
Marilee says it's not one person, but the entire family court system that needs help. She wants more transparency, more training, more accountability, and a shift in mindset over what's really in the best interest of kids.
We're going to have more kids murdered. If you're not going to look at the domestic violence.
For 3 decades, Marilee has been fighting, and she says she will continue for as long as it takes, because these unimaginable tragedies should never happen. Megan Lopez, Denver 7.